What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple egg curry popular among the Malaysians. There are different ways to prepare the curry, but the Malaysian version usually involves certain types of local spices such as cloves, star anise, cinnamon and cardamom. Since the mix of spices are slightly different from other versions, for example the Indian curries, and therefore the Malaysian curry had its unique taste. Let's get into details on how to prepare the curry. I've prepared a few hard-boiled eggs for this curry. It's quite easy to make hard-boiled eggs. I have a separate videos on how to make hard-boiled eggs, which I will leave the link below this video. In short, what you need is to put the eggs in boiling water and boil for about 15 to 60 minutes and then remove it and then put it into cold water to stop cooking, then remove the shell, and that's all you need to do. Next, I have some onions, some garlic, and some red chili. I'm going to blend all these three items with an electric blender, and it's going to become the base of the curry. The amount of chili depends on the spiciness that you want. And I would suggest if you want to be less spicy, do not reduce the number of chili, but remove the seeds. I need to prepare two more items before I use this paste to cook the curry. The first one is one medium-sized potato and one medium-sized tomato. Once you get all the preparation ready, let's start cooking. Add some vegetable oil in the wok, heat it until low to medium, and then add some minced ginger and minced garlic. You can also use a ginger garlic paste if you want. Now I'm going to add the spices, the cardamom, cloves, star anise and cinnamon. Saute it over low heat until aromatic. Now these four spices are commonly used in Malay cooking, and that makes this Malaysian curry unique. Another common ingredient used in Malaysian cooking is curry leaves for the curry. Now let's add the blended onion and chili. And start cooking over low to medium heat. It takes a little while. Now after 10 minutes it's nearly dry up and you can see the oil started to separate from the paste. Now I want to add the curry powder. That's a Malaysian curry powder, and I would like to add some water to form it into a paste first. Cook it a little while, make sure the spices in the curry powder turns fragrant. Then add coconut milk. Make sure that this is for cooking, not for drinking. About 100 ml. And potatoes, tomatoes, and let it cook for a little while. It takes about 10 minutes to soften the potatoes, so you may need to add a little water. Meanwhile, make a few cuts on the surface of the egg. It helps the flavor of the spices from the curry penetrate into the egg. When the potato is soft, seasoned with salt to taste. Then place the hard-boiled eggs into the gravy. And let it cook for a few minutes. You may need to add a little water if it is too thick. A little sugar to balance the acidity of the tomato. Now it is ready to serve. Garnish with some curry leaves. You can serve it immediately, or it tastes even better after a few hours after the spices penetrate into the eggs. I've included the recipe in the description below the video and also the link to my blog for you to download. So don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.